Hey, are you worried about your kid handwriting? Is your child grade not good because of poor handwriting? Last month, one of the parents come with the same problem. Their child was so brilliant and talented, but because of poor handwriting, he never scored the grade which he deserves. And that results that he was an average child in the class. And then he joined this autography cursive handwriting improvement course. And within just 30 days, he improved his handwriting with the help of autography book. Autography is a cursive handwriting course where we teach cursive handwriting technically and scientifically, which help children to understand the formation of the letter. In these 3 years, more than 5,000 plus students have enrolled and improved their handwriting with us. Gift a beautiful handwriting and improved grade. To join this course, click on the sign up button below. Thank you.